What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video we're gonna be installing seat covers for the 2021 Toyota Tundra. You can see the leather seat. It looks very nice, like not gonna lie, I love the design, but I have to install seat covers because you know all the juice spill and stuff like that. Here's the two first seat covers. You can see they are the easiest seat cover to install. You just put it on top like a shirt. And look at this, you just put this on the seat. It took us like, let's say about 30 minutes to install. And this is me installing the seat cover. I think this is the front one, but yeah, you can see like in fast motion me installing it. It's not even that hard. It's like putting on a shirt, but bigger version. You can see I'm putting it very nicely and everything. It looks so good. Here is how it looked like after installing it. It looks so good, very clean. And we really need seat covers for the truck because you know sometimes we go off-roading and stuff, so we need it. So everything is very secure, so nothing can move, and it is really secure, so yeah. So look, 23,000 miles. In some dealership, you might notice that they be selling new, basically, quote unquote, new cars for about 20,000 miles. Probably 10, 15,000 miles, basically new. Which, new is not 15,000 miles. We went to a lot of different states with this truck right now in 23,000 miles, and we bought it with less than 10 miles, so yeah. Now the update on the Civic. So like I said in a comment, I gonna buy some smaller wheel and suspension, but that won't be like probably today, this year, maybe not this year, maybe next year. Sheesh, it's so hot in there. But yeah, I'm planning to do that maybe next year. And those carbon fiber overlays, I know they're fake carbon fiber, but trust me, they actually look good. Like especially this one, I just need this one, but I don't want to put like crazy amount. But I already bought for here, hopefully it fits, and for here. And the radio, I'm gonna buy a radio, not today. You know those big screen right here, it will just complete the looks and everything. And I don't want to waste a lot of money, like too much money on this car. So I want to bring content of this car, but I don't want to waste a lot because I'm trying to save for a different car. And maybe the different car I want to do more modification, more expensive one, It won't be this year. Like, just imagine buying a whole Q50, Infinity Q50, making this car fast, putting a turbo on it. I don't even know if it has a turbo stock, but yeah, imagine having a turbo Q50 or a different car, maybe a different Honda or something. Just imagine that. But for now, we're gonna do little things on this car, nothing too crazy, and just keep it like a nice daily driver, you know. I'm trying to bring the most entertaining content I can possibly make. Like this video, we literally just went to the beach. Every video will have something like, at least like this video, it has the beach content. It got the 2021 Tundra burnout. That's actually good. But yeah, I will try to make video 1 time a week. Hopefully it works. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and thanks for watching.